Meaning of failure.
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 Failure. Failure is the state of not meeting a desired goal or expectation. It can occur in any area of life, including work, relationships, personal endeavors, and more. The results of failure can vary greatly, but commonly include feelings of disappointment, frustration, and sadness. In some cases, failure can lead to self-doubt and a loss of confidence. However, it is important to remember that failure is a natural part of growth and learning, and can provide valuable lessons and opportunities for future success.